How to upload design on Spreadshirt. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload designs on Spreadshirt. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Spreadshirt, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Spreadshirt, it is a global print-on-demand and custom apparel platform that enables individuals, businesses, artists, and organizations to create, customize, and sell personalized product without maintaining an inventory, in which the company also offers a wide range of customizable items, including t-shirt, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, tote bags, and accessories, which are printed and shipped only after an order is placed. So now to create an account in here, you could also click the link in the description, or alternatively, you could click the login button on the top right corner. When clicking on it, you can also click start selling if you want to. However, by clicking on it, all you need to do is simply enter here or sign in using your Facebook account in here if you want to. And I'm going to start selling, and from here just click open your own Spreadshirt in here or sell on Marketplace. But upon clicking open your Spreadshirt, from here to register, just simply log in or simply fill out the required information, including your shop name and also your email address, and generate your own password in here. So upon filling out all of this required information, you simply proceed by checking the reCAPTCHA in here and also the boxes indicating that you agree to the terms and condition in here given. Once done, just click Get Start Now button in here below. By doing so, you'll automatically now be directed on this page, in which on this pop-up window, you have an option to choose or a step-by-step guide to start. And that includes to create a spreadshop, products, set up a spreadshop. Within here, we're going to click the designs option on the left side panel. And you have an option to create design with AI. By clicking on it, on this pop-up window, you can simply enter the prompt, and below it will show you the sample prompt for it. Or alternatively, you can click the browse button in here to upload from your computer files. And in choosing the file, you could also use the platform, for example, this canva.com. All you need to do is simply go to the templates, and in here it will show you a variety of designs that you can choose from, that you can use as your design to upload in our Spreadshirt. For example, in here I'm going to choose this one. In here you could also start customizing the sizes of it and even the context. And to add an elements, you could also do so by clicking on the element section on the left side panel of it. So you can basically navigate some of these elements tools and editing tools, and click the download button or the share button on the top right to start downloading it. Once done, just simply upload it directly in our Spreadshirt, as you can see. Then you will now be able to see here the status of our uploaded file. And now it is now already in here. You could also click this edit icon to see what it looks like in a mock-up products, for example, t-shirt, hoodie, mugs, and many more. So for example, in here, as you can see, we have here a variety of options to choose from. I'm going to choose, for example, this one, men's t-shirt. By clicking on it, all you need to do in here is to customize how the design of it or the sizes should be attached in this mock-ups product. I'm going to make this design size larger and place it in here. And for the color of it, I'm going to make the color white, in which this is now basically what it looks like in our t-shirt design. And if you also want to navigate here these print areas, all you need to do is simply click on it to see what it looks like from the back, the right side, left side, and many more. However, if you are now done customizing the design in our product, just click the done button in here on the top right corner. Or we could also proceed navigating or customizing the design in the next products such as hoodie, mugs, and many more. So now just click the done button on the top right in here. Once done, you could also click the next button now to proceed on the top right corner. And to start publishing your design, all you need to do is simply fill out the required information in here, including here the title or the design name, and even the description of it, where you could also describe the materials that you use, the process on how you can start designing, and even the content of your design. And below you can even choose the tags for it if you're already created or added a default tags, but you could also add more if you want to. Once done, just click the publish button on the top right corner to save the changes. So basically, this Spreadshirt is important because it makes the custom product creation and online selling accessible to individuals, businesses, and organizations without requiring large upfront investments or inventory management. And nowadays, basically, what our shops set up that we could also start navigating in here and saving directly on the top right corner. But overall, that is just basically how you can upload designs on Spreadshirt. Thank you.